What's up, Natty Dads? Today is the official first day of week 2 of maintenance, and I have to say that I am loving it. I just got my check-in today on MacroFactor, and it actually wants to increase my calories by like 78 or something like that. It does this pretty cool little evaluation based on how much you burn, how much you are tracking, how much you're telling it you're eating, and then it's going to recommend some adjustments. So my weight really didn't fluctuate pretty much at all. I had some ups and downs by about 2 pounds, but I stayed within the weight that I started at last week. So it recommended I increase calories, and my goal is to stay below 160, or to stay at 160, I should say. I'm at 158.8 after a long Father's Day weekend. So I have a feeling that I'm actually truly probably like 157, 156, because at least a couple times during this week, I weighed in at 156.8 or something close to that. So very interesting. I increased calories by 238 or something like that. And my weight over the course of a week didn't fluctuate that much. I actually went over my calories on Saturday night for date night, or Friday night for date night, by about 250 calories, and not a lot of weight swing, not a lot of weight fluctuation. So very interesting stuff in maintenance. Makes me wonder how deep into my deficit I really was, how many calories I was really digging out of there. So anyway, really excited about week 2 for maintenance, heading into a vacation, a weekend, or yeah, I guess a weekend, because we're starting on Thursday. So just gonna do what I always do, plan ahead, make modifications, make substitutions, but not sacrifice, having a good time and having good food. So really excited for week 2, and yeah, we'll keep going. So I just finished a weightlifting session and did a little bit of cardio afterwards. And it was one of the few cardio sessions I've done since I started maintenance, and doing cardio on maintenance is so much better and so much smarter. I don't know why more dads don't just save their cardio for their maintenance phase and just let the diet and the weightlifting do its thing during the calorie deficit phase, because trying to add more energy burn, I get the mentality, right? Because you're like, oh, I want to burn more calories, I want to burn more body fat. But being in a proper deficit and lifting weights, I think honestly, and getting enough steps per day is honestly all the expenditure that you need. Everything else should be managed through the deficit of what you're consuming. And then when you really want to start getting more conditioned, you want to get in better shape, you want to really take your cardio and even your weightlifting to the next level, that's when you throw that in during maintenance phase, where you have a little bit more calories to fuel that workout. You gotta remember, it's not just about how many calories can I burn from body fat, because that becomes irrelevant at the end of the day if you're in a net surplus calories at the end of the day. So don't worry so much about when your cardio is done or how much of it you're doing. If you just focus on the basics, lifting weights, getting enough steps per day, and then eating in a deficit, you will lose body fat. And you wanna make sure that you manage that at a pace that works best for you. If you really want to amp up the cardio, maybe you're getting ready for a run, maybe you just want to feel more conditioned, you want to have a better cardiovascular system, great, more power to you. Do that during maintenance phase. Do that when you have more calories to actually fuel that workout. So anyway, I wanted to say that before I forgot. Thanks for watching this video today. I'll see you in the next video.